Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy women crochet edging designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts, stylish jewelry ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crochet edging designs, stylish jewelry ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of crochet edging designs, beautiful patterns, knitted patterns, easy patterns. Easy to make, beautiful and trendy crochet edging designs and ideas you can see. Every design is beautiful, different and trendy one another. Handmade crochet edging designs you can see. Stylish color combination contrast is beautiful. Flowers decorated, beads and stones also. You can make these very beautiful crochet earrings if you know crochet work. Mind-blowing designs and ideas you can see. Top designs and ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet earring designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel.